Hi everybody, today it's Tuesday and last week in Tuesday, in the highest day of the year, we create the highest option gift. We're allowing something very powerful, additional to our soul. That's everything because we create lifetime to go forward to create more light in us, and we create all the fixing and all the tikkunim and everything to create more light and to create purified of the soul. So last week in the highest day of the year, instead exchange the spark, we create very powerful additional another big spark to our soul, and it merged to our nose, to everybody. So this is really biggie, and the reason I'm doing this short movie is to give you a message. Now all our job is to take this additional soul that merged to our nose and to bring it to the lifetime, to the youth, to money, to the daytime, to work in, because each one now in a junction to find the right work for him, that it is purpose and his mission, and it's very powerful. So this additional soul, now it's potentially, and we need to bring it down. Of course our thinking and our awareness will bring it down, but there is another amazing best way to bring it down. It's that I will work on each of you people that will ask me to work on them, to take this potential in the nose and to bring it down to the system, to youth, to the daytime, to the new contact with money, to the new contact with the purpose, to the new contact with the spirit, to fountain of youth. It's very powerful. I'm coughing now.
Because you didn't drink.
Yeah. So it's a very powerful, and I really suggest you to put your spirit above and to put the second priority money here in the second drawer, and to really allowing this potential. It's the highest ever human being create, and we need now down earth, to the physic, to the lungs, to the heart, to the liver, to the digestive system, to the new beauty, to the new daytime, to the new freedom with money, because that will really merge us to the new world. Then we will really don't want to go what was, because what was, we will never go back. Never, no one. So it's an option, because also I'm not coming to United States. Here in Israel, I'm doing some course in Zoom, and we're doing this amazing process. So all the people in Europe and all your people in the United States, that I merge them, I really suggest them to work on them. It can be average of 2 hours each, and it will take the highest potential and the additional spark, additional soul, to the daytime, to the physic, to the new spirit world, to the new material world. It's really unbelievable. So that's my suggestion, and I'm so happy with the new. I'm so happy with this new spark, and I'm really like, wow. That's it.
Let's see the garden, the spark. In Jerusalem, גן העצמאות.